Alright, got this working real nice now. So, took a lot to do that, but all these threads were pretty bunged up. So they're a lot better now. So now that all works like that, and it all goes in the wheel like it's supposed to. So I got a usable axle again. Okay, now I get her back in here and see what's going on with the rest of the bike here. So there's a chain tensioner, idler, not tensioner, idler. I was having trouble getting to. Right there. There's no way you'd have a piece of steel eating on a damn chain like this. It's extremely hard on chains. You don't want to be running metal on metal. So, not sure what the hell's in here. Feel like there's a bolt head over there. So I'm going to try to get that out of there and see what's in there and see if we can put like some kind of a skateboard wheel or something in there that's a lot more friendly to steel. Okay. Couldn't really get in here very well with the wheel back here, so yep, definitely bolt spinning. So come in here with a wrench on this side, one from this side. What a stack of crap this is. Take all this stack of crap off in order. See what we got here. Great. We're not getting a bolt out of there. Have to just pull some more junk to get that out. Don't see anything drop down in there. So it's sitting on the back of the bolt head here, so I can't get that out. So they had a washer, another washer. That's a bearing. There's a spacer, another bearing, two more washers, and a nut. So my guess is there's supposed to be a skateboard wheel between these parts right here that's missing. That's usually how this works. Alright, so looks like we got a little over an inch width. What do we got in the way of skateboard wheel? The bearing shouldn't be a big problem. Let's see, a friend of mine gave me a bunch of skateboard wheels for doing another project with. Thought they were laying over here someplace. I don't see them. I remember I gave him back a bunch of crap I didn't want. Plus No, I need them. That's not it. Alright, let's see, there's one of them. There's the one I kept. That's the big one, see. That's a 3/8. I made this for another guy and it didn't come back. It's too big. So it looks like I'm missing skateboard wheels. So I'm not going to put that in there. So I think I took all the junk and gave it back to my friend because I didn't want it. Oh well, now I want it. I don't see it. Alright, well, if I got to make another stop at the skateboard shop tomorrow. Pick up a couple skateboard wheels and some bearings because I don't see them around here. Alright, well, I know what I need now. A little small skateboard wheel. Alright, so I'm going to clean this up and I'll take it with me. And then I'll know exactly what I need. Looks like we got about 1.5 inches max area in there to go on. That looks like about 1.25 inches at most. Alright, fun. Let's see, while we're in here, do you think we should tell him he needs brake pads? What do you think? Surprise him? I think there's about a 30-second of material left there. Yeah, maybe we need to get some brake pads on this bike. I'm thinking that one's worn out. Pretty sure it's junk. See, these things always escalate when you get onto them. So this rotor feels halfway decent. That bearing. Puts a sleeve in there. That bearing feels okay. Tire's worn out. That one works. Bearings are actually okay, surprisingly. Tire's junk. The brake pads are junk. Another thing I'm not sure what's going on with is this front rotor. I'm not sure, but I don't think these are supposed to be quite this loose. What do you think? Look about stock rotor for you? I've never seen one that loose. I think that thing's been rattling for a lot of years and it's just junk. Yeah, I'm sure that makes no noise at all going down the road. Think there's any brake pads on this one either? Yeah, a little bit of brake pads on this one. Pretty thin though. Let's see if we can see them this direction maybe. Yeah. I don't know. I think this pad's worn out too. See how far the pistons are out? Damn light, stay on. When you can see a piston that far out, that's not a good sign. I think these pads are junk also. So these new brake pads throughout. This rotor I think is trash. How long before that thing falls off, I have no idea. Looks like it's been rubbing on something, probably a caliper. Maybe a caliper spring. It might be rubbing on that pin right there. Yeah, pull these out, you'll probably find out how bad all this stuff really is. Like I said, these things escalate. I think it needs 2 sets of brake pads and a skateboard wheel. And a good cleaning. And some new screws here. These are getting pretty rounded out. I think I should surprise him, put new screws in there. Oh well, fun. Alright, that's it for this one for tonight. It's tomorrow already anyway. Yeah, worked on it too long. Another hour. About an hour and a half actually, but we won't tell anybody. Alright, that's it for this one for today.